Children, starting with page number 45. Morals in literature. What are morals? Morals are actually the rules which govern which actions are right and which actions are wrong. So they tell us like what is right and what is not right. How can you derive these morals? You can derive them by personal upbringing, the way you are brought up, your cultural influence, the society in which you live, their beliefs, and comprehension of religious and spiritual principles. Sometimes you can also derive these morals or you can learn these morals from a story or experience. Match the morals given below with their respective stories by writing the correct letter in the boxes. So these are actually some morals given and we have to see from which story we have derived them. Number 1, appearances often are deceiving. This is number F. The wolf in sheep's clothing. Number 2, don't make much ado about nothing. This is number J. The mountain in labor. Every man should mind his own business. G. The seagull and the kite. Example is more powerful than precept. This is number L. The crab and its mother. Familiarity breeds contempt. Number A. The fox and the lion. One good turn deserves another. This is N. The ant and the dove. United we stand, divided we fall. This is O. The 4 oxen and the lion. It is best to prepare for the days of necessities. This is number E. The ant and the grasshopper. It is not fine feathers that make fine birds. This is B. The joy and the peacock. Misfortune test the sincerity of the friends. This is M. The bear and the 2 travelers. Necessity is the mother of invention. This is number C. The crow and the pitcher. No one should be blamed for his infirmities. This is I. The old hound. Pride goes before destruction. This is K. The fighting cocks and the eagle. The hero is brave in deeds as well as words. This is number D. The hunter and the woodman. Things are not always what they seem. This is H. Beekeeper and the bees. Now page number 46. Alternative treatment. Now one is a medical treatment. These are alternative treatment therapies. Alternative medicine practices are not standard medical treatments. They are generally not recognized by the medical community. So some description about some medical treatments are given. We have to tell that which therapy it is related to. Starting with number 1. In this system, it is believed that illness is caused by imbalance in the various body systems and a patient is cured by setting that imbalance right. This is Ayurveda or Ayurveda. Picture is given. So, number 2. This form of treatment believes in nature's healing power. Its principle is that the accumulation of toxins is the root cause of all diseases and their elimination is the route to good health. Naturopathy. Next, number 3. This Japanese method was founded by Mikao Usui. It promotes healing and reduces stress. It is administered by laying on hands. This is Reiki. This healing system was founded by Hakim Ibn Sina in Persia in around 980 AD. Plants, herbs, and minerals are used to cure the patient. It is practiced mainly in the Indian subcontinent. This is Unani. Number 5. This is an ancient form of Chinese treatment. It involves the insertion of extremely thin needles through a patient's skin at strategic points on the body. It is most commonly used to treat pain. This is called acupuncture. You can see the needles inserted in the body. Number 6. This method of treatment was founded by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann of Germany in the 1790s. It used very thin doses of natural substances to stimulate the patient's immune system. This is homeopathy. That's all for this week, beta. Thank you.